Let's think about a scenario that you and your friend went to buy a GPU and both of you guys bought GPU on same budget. But months later, you realize that your friend is getting better FPS than you in the same game, in the same system. Though both of you have spent same amount of money for the GPU. That's why I'm doing this video, so that you don't feel like a loser after a couple of months of buying a GPU. If you look into the GPU arena, you will see there's three types of players here. One NVIDIA, one AMD, and other is Intel. So Intel is pretty new to this game, but trying to catch up with the other players. And AMD is also trying to catch up with NVIDIA also. NVIDIA is the oldest player of this game. And if you have enough money to spend, NVIDIA is the best. There's no question about it that NVIDIA is the best if you have enough money to spend for it. But if you are on a budget, here's come the AMD and the Intel. So what GPU is best for you? If you are on a budget, then AMD and Intel is the option for you. But here's a catch. Depending on what type of workload you have, what type of work you are gonna do with your GPU, depending on your needs, it may vary. Like if your work really is depend on Adobe software and like Premiere Pro, After Effects, then I would definitely suggest you to go with NVIDIA, because the CUDA core facility of NVIDIA will give you extra edge than any other counterparts. But if you are on a gaming section, if you are buying a GPU for a gaming and you are tight on a budget, then you should go for AMD GPU. In most of the case, a same budget AMD GPU can give you higher FPS in the game than NVIDIA. But if you are focusing on NVIDIA's DLSS or ray tracing, and it's another thing. AMD is also trying to catch up with their FSR with the DLSS, or at least trying to be at the same level as DLSS are doing. Then who will buy Intel GPU? Intel Arc GPUs are for entry-level gamers. If you are really tight on a budget and you really need a GPU to function, then Intel Arc is gonna be a very good choice, because at that price, they are beating any other entry-level GPU on the market. Recently launched Intel's battle image GPU like B580, B7, B570, they are very good. But Intel has some issues with their drivers and they are trying to improve over it. Other than that, Intel is a good overall GPU if you are on a tight budget. But if you have a good budget, then you can go for AMD GPU. But if you don't want to miss out on anything like productivity, say gaming, then NVIDIA is the final choice for you. Let me know in the comment section what GPU are you using currently, or if you are trying to buy a new GPU for your future build or your current build. And if you want to know what's the best GPU you can get with your budget, please let me know in the comment section. I will suggest you the best GPU you can get within your budget. So see you in the next video. Ta-da.